Welcome to the channel, guys. I have Anker 6-to-1 magnetic battery pack. It's a pretty decent accessory for your iPhone if you are going to need an emergency backup. Now, what is this product and what are the features of it? I'm going to explain each and everything. Let's directly jump into the video. So as I said, it's Anker 6-to-1 magnetic battery pack, and it's a pretty good portable battery option for iPhone, which has, Magsafe compatibility. So you can see you can charge your iPhone with the help of Magsafe. So that's a good thing. Now, before heading towards the product, let's take a look at how the box is. This is how the packaging looks like. There is Anker branding. You get Series 6 branding over here. Product name is Anker 6-to-1 magnetic battery, Maggo, and this is some basic details over here. So this is how the simple packaging is. When you unbox this product, the first thing you get is this compact battery pack. So I'll come to this later. Apart from this battery pack, you do get Type C to Type C charging cable. So you can use this cable to charge this particular battery pack, and also you can use this cable to charge other devices via Type C port. And apart from the Type C cable, you also get user manual. So if you are getting any problem, if you don't know anything, you can always refer to the user manual so that all your doubts can be cleared. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing experience. Let's directly jump into the product. So design is pretty simple. As you can see, it's completely a boxy design, and the size is very compact and it's very lightweight. The build quality is definitely sturdy. Build quality is one thing which I definitely liked about this product. Now, talking about the weight, it has somewhere around 132 grams of weight, and considering that it has a 5000 mAh battery packed inside it, I think it's pretty handy product. Now, talking about the overview of the product, you do get that Magsafe ring over here, as you can see, and at the bottom you get LED indicators which will help you to identify how much battery is remaining in this battery pack. You do get one Type C port. This is in and out port, so you can charge this battery pack with that port, and you can also charge other devices with the help of this Type C port. You do get a button. If you press that, you will be able to check out the LED status, that how much battery is remaining in this battery pack. And at the top, you do get Anker branding over here. So overall, the build quality is definitely sturdy. The build quality is good, and the product is lightweight. Now let's talk about how much time it will take to charge this particular battery pack, and how much time this battery pack will take to charge your iPhone if you're using iPhone 13 like me, or iPhone 12, 13, 14, or the mini series. Starting with the this particular product, it took me somewhere around 2 hours 30 minutes with the help of iPhone's 20-watt adapter to charge this battery pack completely. So yeah, 2 hours 30 minutes is not a bad timing. It's not that fast, but yeah, it's manageable. So if you are also using 20-watt adapter to charge this particular battery pack, you will also get somewhere around 2 hours 30 minutes or 2 hours 40 minutes approx. Now, talking about how much time it will take from this device to charge your mini series. So if you are using iPhone 12 mini or iPhone 13 mini, and if you are using this Anker power bank, then it will take somewhere around 2 hours to charge your 12 mini or 13 mini up to 100% completely. So it will charge your device 100% if you are not using it at the time when you are charging it. But if you are using your mini series while it's on charge, then it will not charge up to 100%. It will only charge somewhere around 70 to 80% approximately. So at that time, you need to sacrifice that extra percentage. But if you don't want to use it, if you want your device to be charged 100%, you need to stop using your device while it's on charge. So yeah, 12 mini and 13 mini will take 2 hours of time to charge 100%. Now, talking about iPhone 12, iPhone 13 and iPhone 14, it won't charge your device completely up to 100%. It will only charge it up to 80% or 90% maximum. So yeah, you won't get 100% charging with this power bank even if you're not using your device. If you're not using, you will get 80 to 90% of backup in your iPhone. But if you are using your device while it's on charge, then you need to sacrifice more percentage at that time. You will get 60 to 70% approximately with the help of this battery pack. Now, talking about the output, if you are using the Magsafe, the wireless charging option, as you can see, I have connected the Magsafe now, and it is charging the device. It has started the charging. So if you're using the wireless option to charge your device, it will give you somewhere around 7.5 watts of output. But if you're using Type C port to charge your device, then the maximum output which you can get is 12 watts. So that's the maximum output which you can get from this Anker power brick or this battery pack if you're using it wirelessly or with wired. Now, the selling point of this 6-to-1 magnetic battery pack is that it has this magnetic compatibility, Magsafe compatibility. So if your iPhone has Magsafe, you can simply attach it like this at the back and it will start charging your iPhone. And one thing I must highlight is that the magnets are really very strong. You can see currently it is attached, and if I try to hold the power bank only and if I shake my phone like this, you can see it is not letting off my phone. I need to apply some pressure and then I can remove it. So yeah, the magnets are really very strong. That's the one thing I liked about it. Now, one thing I want to highlight is that it definitely gets warm if you're using this indoors to charge your iPhone. You can see it is charging, but yeah, it definitely gets warm. And if you're using this outdoors under direct sunlight, then it might get hot. So that's the only thing you need to be aware of. So it's not a problem actually, it's just the thing you should know this before you buy this power brick. Now coming to our last point, should you buy this Anker 6-to-1 magnetic battery pack? I will definitely recommend this battery pack if you are always in a hurry and your phone is always out of juice. You're going to need emergency backup. You can always rely on this battery pack because the size is actually very compact. The build quality is very sturdy. It is easy to carry. The product is lightweight and the magnets are really very strong. So these are the things which I will consider to recommend this product to you all. Definitely you are looking for all these things in your battery pack, then you can go with Anker 6-to-1 magnetic battery pack. It's a thumbs up from me. Also, one thing before ending this video, if you are always going to rely on this product only, if you are always going to rely on your emergency backup, then I won't recommend this 5000 mAh option. You can check out the other option which has 10,000 mAh. It's from the same brand. Model number would be, I guess, 622 or 623. You can check it out. I'll try to leave the links in the description. You can check it out. You can go with the bigger version if you are always in the need of that extra backup all the time. So yeah, that's pretty much it for Anker 6-to-1 battery pack, which is the Anker 6-to-1 MagGo. It's a thumbs up from me. You can check out. Product links are in the description. If you want to buy, you can buy it for yourself. And I'll see you all in the next one, guys. Thank you.